Well, welcome you all to my another video. I will show here how to download the Sentinel-2 data for free. So to do this, you need to go to the Copernicus Open Access Hub. So you need to write Copernicus. You see Copernicus Open Access Hub and go to the Copernicus Open Access Hub page, and then you need to go here Open Hub. Okay, now you can see there is a page for Copernicus Open Access Hub. So what you have to do now, you have to do uh, make an accounts in Copernicus Open Access Hub. So to do this, you need to go to the I have the accounts here. That's why I need to log out, and I'm going to show you how to make an account here. Just go to the sign up option here, and then you need to write the first name, last name, and you need to write the username, password, email, and after filling all these criteria you will able to create an accounts. So once you have created an accounts, you just go to the login functions and write the username and password, then login. Okay, so now here you see there is a three option, 1 to 3 options. So if you click here, you see the three options: OpenStreet, Terrain and Overlay, and Sentinel-2 Cloudless plus Overlay. So you need to click here. Okay, so you can use these options to move your study area. I mean, for example, now I am going to download the data for the Bangladesh. So I need to go here, and if I click here, I can make a polygon for my state area. For example, I will go for download the data for the Dhaka city of Bangladesh. So I make a polygon like this way. Okay, then go over here and click here. You'll find some options. First, the sort by ingestion date. That means that the sensing date you need to click here, and order by descending order, so that you will get the more recent data in your um, data card. Then go to the mission Sentinel-2, just click here, nothing else, and just if we want to have a good resolution data, so we need to use the 0 to 5% cloud cover. So just copy here and paste here and make it 0 to 5. Okay, then you do not do nothing, just go to the search options, it takes some times. So as you can see, there are so many data. Actually there are many data because of the data on different date. For example, you see the data is March 15, this data March 15, and this data March 12. And the important thing is, this is my study area. So to cover my study area, there are so many tiles, so many data you will need. So if you click over here, you will see that which area this data cover. So if you click here, the data covers this part of your study area. If you click here, it shows that this part of the data covers the study area. And if you click this one, you see the almost same area covered. So to cover your study area, you may need to download maybe multiple data. So another thing, here you see the iView. If you click here, you can go to the details of this data. For example, you will see this data covers this area, and the data looks like this. It seems that this is a good data because there is a less cloud, and you will find summary of this data, MSI Sentinel-2 data. This is the size of the 2 data, and you will also get the details of the product. Here you can see cloud coverage is 0. So we can say that this is a good resolution data. So now you can have the download option here, and just click here and it will going to download. You see data is going to download. So this is all about to how to download the Sentinel-2 data using the Copernicus Open Access Hub. So thank you all.